Hi guys, it's me again. Remember I said to you, you're going to Bronte Beach? Well, here I am. Check out the view. Does it not look good? Here they are doing the surfing on the beach. This is Bronte Beach, by the way. So I'm just having a break, a bit of breakfast. The time is 9:30. So look at that. We'll go for a walk there. I hope you like this while we're in a lockdown and quarantine. And I hope I can help you out to free your mind. Anyway, as a personal, as a painter, a blogger, anyone who's watching this in my channels, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, thumbs up, thumbs down twice. And there's lots of freedom. You see a lot of stuff around. And yeah, let's go for a walk up there and see what we see here. While I'm on my break for 30 minutes, even though I work for myself. And one day you'll see me in action painting. But for now, who wants to see me working, brushing a brush? Let's go down here. By the way, here I am. I'm here. There you go. Hi guys. I'm on my sunnies. This is too bright. And it's quite cool. I'll show you around, eh?
No, you were calling Courtney a dog, so I just more.
So you're up here. By the way, I'm just working over there, that building there. So I can't see the view because I'm on the lower ground. So I thought I'll come down here on the beach for you to look at. I don't really like showing my face so much in YouTube. Once is enough. I think the view is better than you seeing me and these guys on the surf. On weekends I come down here. When I used to live in Maroubra, actually you can go surfing there too. I do a lot of bodyboarding, body surf, do a lot of snorkeling. It's absolutely beautiful. In summertime it's great. So even though in the quarantine, Australia is still lucky to get around doing the exercise. They're not on total lockdown unless they are, don't be stupid. Make sure keep away 1.5 meters. See that guy there? I hope I can zoom it. Anyway, trying to make my hand steady as well because I'm holding my phone. I'm UBE. I'm a new YouTuber, so I don't know anything about all this tips and tricks, how you edit. This is kind of live now, what you see here. I like it this way, it's more natural, So we'll go down here, it's quite cool. So, do a lot of walking. I'll be warm up pretty soon. Let's go to the cliff and see what the cliff look like, huh? And look at the ocean. I hope I can help you out about this. Once I get back to my other job at Kirribilli, I'll show you the view there as well. I'm doing 2 jobs at the moment, 2 or 3 jobs all at once. So I separate my boys. And yeah, check them out, how they going. I do a bit of labor myself, but I'm always taking care of my job. I don't rely with anyone. I don't rely with workers. Too hard. You gotta look after your reputation on your job. I hope you see these guys surfing. I mean, it's winter here in Australia, but these guys are tough. They're tough on the cold. They can handle it. But they all have wetsuits anyway. This is, life is just It's full of freedom if you want to make it, you know, easier for yourself. Away from the stress. Some of them are just fortunate. So this is the lockdown in Australia. They're on the beach. I'll be there. Summertime, my wife and I and my kids, we go to the beach as much as we can. It's actually good for your skin. Let's go to the cliff and see it more, huh? Bronte Beach. I don't want to go for a walk there further. I'm gonna run out of time. So I'm only have a few minutes to show you about this place. People up here looking out.
Yeah.
Just walking along.
Saturday night.
People jogging. So it's quite good up here when we go here. I hope it's not that far, so you won't get bored. Nothing worse when people watching from YouTube and the surrounding is boring. Look at that. Woo! Free your mind. Let's go down here. Let's go up here. We'll check it out. Look at that. You'll know what I mean when we get here. There's a cliff, look. See that? But I'm not gonna go on any stupid things because the wind's pretty strong. It can easily blow me out. Fall off down there. Don't want that to happen. Sometimes there's actually whales go there. Whales and dolphins go past there. So, hope you can see me. Here I am. Isn't that beautiful? Huh? A break time. Sometimes tomorrow I'm gonna bring my lunch here. Maybe this afternoon I'll bring my lunch here. Sit down here and do my lunch. Look at that. I hope I'm not going too fast for you on 360s. Pretty good, huh? So that's what I can offer you for the day. So we'll climb up there. And look at the beautiful rocky on sandstone. Look how beautiful Australia is. Actually, Bronte, it's only like 20-25 minutes to the city. So look at that. Woohoo! That's pretty high, yeah? People's... Damn, look how beautiful Australia is. So peaceful. Okay, we'll go all the way up here so we get the perfect view. Just like flying like an eagle, you know? Climb up here. There you go, mate. How would you like that? Huh? How do you like that? Can't get any better than this. You think this is better? You'll see my other job where I work. I'll show you the other view. It's all 100% for me. I can't compare it. Look, between the rocks, there's the road. I'm on the top here. People exercise there. See? People exercise there. I hope you can hear me. I hope my sounds, I'm not like mumbling or anything like that. And excuse of my accent. We'll do it again, huh? This is the people's backyard I'm talking to you about. We'll start from here. There you go. That's their back house. And look at their view. How can you get any better than this? Natural Australian bush plants. And see, that's what I'm talking about. This is their backyard, and I'm here free, walking around. Sometimes, with my break time, I end up going for more than half an hour because of this. I'm too tempted, and I'm sharing it to you, what I see every day here in Australia. It's just absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Yeah, another bush stuff. Walking all the way. Okay, I'm on the highest point now. There you go. Go. I don't want to go too close there. That's the cliff there now. No fence. So I don't want to fall up there. I hope you like my view. And I will post more and more. And other things. Someone put a graffiti. Lab, Danny, 1995. Holy crap, it's 2020 now. I wonder how's he going these days. There you go, more walkways up there. Yeah, don't forget to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Press like, thumbs up, thumbs down twice. Don't forget that. I know there's comment out there, maybe not good. There's thumbs down, but we all get that. You know, they all have their own opinions. You can't please everyone. This is just human life. No matter how good you do about things in life, you can't please everyone. But others out there who pleases it, I wish you luck, I wish you charm. Hopefully that your life always in a good, you know, goodwill. And don't forget to walk with God. God itself, the creator of the universe, pretty much everything. There you go. If I can zoom my camera, there's actually a whale swimming way back there. Maybe a hump whale, I don't know. But normally, sometimes the dolphin go closer here. There's actually people out there. See, you see that? They watching the whales. They sit and watch the whales. But I'm sorry, I don't have time for that. Anyway, don't forget my thoughts for the day. Make life simple if you want to make it simple. God bless you. Bye bye. Next time. See ya.